In 3, 2.
Wondering what will bring your hungry house guests to the breakfast table? The best ever casserole.
What?
Don't say.
I didn't say the.
Well, and then I thought you just said casserole.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, well, the best ever breakfast casserole.
Okay. Oh, breakfast casserole.
Right, you didn't say breakfast, and yeah.
Okay.
The best ever. Well, why don't we can just say best ever breakfast casserole.
Okay. In 3, 2.
Wondering what will bring your hungry house guests to the breakfast table?
The best ever. I thought you said.
No, I said no. Let's not do it.
Okay. Ready? In 3, 2.
Wondering what will bring your hungry.
I think it's this shirt. In 3, 2.
Wondering what will bring your hungry house guests to the. Get it out of my mouth. Hungry house guests to the breakfast table. Okay.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2.
Wondering what will bring your hungry house guests to the breakfast table? Best ever breakfast.
All right. Come on. Come on. In 3, 2.
Wondering what will bring your hungry guest house to the breakfast table? What?
You said, bring your guest house to the breakfast table. That's just that one little thing. I knew it was right on the edge. Okay, thanks. All right. Guest house.
To the breakfast. Who brought the guest house to the?
I never. They're gonna.
Okay. All right.
All right, let's do this. Come on. In 3, 2.
Wondering what.
Come on.
All right.
Guest house.
Actually, I wasn't wondering that, but now that you mention it. Okay.
Okay, come on.